In this video, I'll be sharing 10 new tips and tricks to help you dominate in Among Us. Whether you're a crewmate or an imposter, these strategies will give you an edge. Let's get started. First is to create suspicion. If you see two players alone in a room, close the door and leave. This will make them suspicious of each other, creating chaos without you doing anything. Second is silent venting. As an imposter, only you can hear yourself venting. Crewmates don't hear it, so don't worry if you think you were too loud. Third is the best place to hide bodies. For sneaky kill, take out crewmates in place where bodies are hard to see, above the admin table, behind the navigation chair, or bottom left corner of the shields. Fourth is the light sabotage trick. If three crewmates are in a room, turn off the lights, vent in, kill one and escape. The remaining two will blame each other. The fifth is to smart sabotage after a kill. After eliminating someone, sabotage something far away. This will send crewmates running in the opposite direction. Sixth is to check before venting. Before venting from electrical to security, first went to medbay to check for any nearby players. This prevents getting caught. The seventh is eliminating a camera watcher. If someone is watching security cameras when you kill, lock the security room and run there. Take them out before they report. 8 is to stack kills for confusion. Killing in a group stack makes it harder for crewmates to figure out who the imposters is. The 9 is best fake task. Someone tasks don't update the taskbar, making the perfect for taking. Download weapons, nav, comms, cafeteria, electrical, refill gas, storage, and fix wiring storage. 10 is the download alibi trick. If a crewmate is doing a download task, vent to security, get a kill, and vent back before they finish. They won't see or suspect anything. Thank you for watching.